So we're at the end, and you'll notice the instructions at the very end. Instead of doing 7 double crochet together, you finish like you started with 4 double crochet together. So we've just completed our 3 chains, and then we're going to do our 4 double crochet together. So we go into this space, next space, at the end it's semi-difficult to see. We have a space left there, and we have a space left right there. So that's our 3rd double crochet, and our very last one is in this space here. It's sometimes difficult to get into, but you get in there. And we close them all off like we did before. And that finishes your 2nd row.